Good morning, everyone. This is Jim Brewster from the National Weather Service office here in Binghamton, New York. We have a short briefing for you this morning to discuss a snow event moving into the area, which will last into Wednesday. And our forecast area covers central New York and northeast Pennsylvania, as you see in the graphic at the bottom of the slide. So what's going on? Well, today we've got a storm system moving through the Great Lakes. We expect some occasional light snow to move across the region. Actually, it's doing it right now as I speak. It's really not going to be a big deal, though we'll get a dusting to a couple of inches in spots. Later this evening, the stronger part of the storm is going to move into the area, and we do expect some scattered, heavier snow squalls to develop early this evening, which will have a potential to hit parts of the region pretty hard. And when I say hard, I mean with very heavy snowfall rates, gusty winds, blowing snow, and the potential for the roads to freeze up pretty quick. So you do want to be aware of that during the late afternoon and evening hours. And then most of the region will quiet down for the rest of tonight. However, up north towards Syracuse, Rome, and the Utica area along the Thruway and Interstate 81 there, the lake effect is going to kick in off Lake Ontario. We'll see heavy snow rates between 1 and 3 inches per hour. The snow is really going to pile up, and sometime by later Wednesday afternoon, we're looking at accumulations over a foot likely in some areas. Keep in mind that lake effect snow does not cover a wide area, so not everyone will see those deep accumulations, but travel will be difficult up in those areas. Here are a few of the impacts you can expect from any snow that does fall today. Of course, the standard snow and ice covered roads leading to slippery travel, and that can occur either with the light snow this morning, but certainly in any of the snow squalls and with the lake effect snow later tonight. Dangerous driving in the snow squalls will have blowing and drifting snow, poor visibility, so you'll also want to be aware of that. And then don't forget that after the snow is all done, especially in the heaviest areas where you have to shovel a lot of it, be aware if you have any health concerns to take care and take some frequent breaks if you're shoveling the heavy snow. You don't want to risk any heart attack or back trouble or any kind of health-related problem. We talked about the snow squalls moving through this evening, and I wanted to show you a more specific timing on that. We're looking at those snow squalls to be in the western part of our area, the Finger Lakes and the southern tier, starting about 5 o'clock, moving into the Binghamton, Syracuse, and possibly Scranton, Wilkes-Barre area towards 7 o'clock, and then sliding east through the Mohawk Valley and the Catskills, Poconos toward 9 o'clock, and the heavier snow squalls should be out of here sometime by the late evening hours. And then during the overnight hours, which I'm not showing here, is where the lake effect snow will kick in after midnight. Here's a look at our storm total snowfall. This is a long period of accumulation, and you can see in the red and orange areas up north in the lake snow belts where we do expect the heaviest amounts, anywhere from just south of the Syracuse area in the 8-inch to 1-foot range to between Rome, Utica, and the places north of Syracuse and along Oneida Lake, anywhere between 15 and 20 inches. And of course, the further north you go, closer to the lake, you could expect almost up to 2 feet of snow. Elsewhere, just a light dusting, 1 to 3 inches in some of the hilly spots, and really just a trace or dusting of snow for much of central New York and northeast Pennsylvania. If you like further specifics or to keep up to date on this situation, you can follow us on social media, of course, at Facebook, Twitter, or right here on YouTube. And if you have a mobile phone or even through your web browser, you can go to mobile.weather.gov, put in a specific zip code or location, and get a very detailed forecast for the next 7 days.